Hi, welcome back to Gomez Experience. And today we are going to make an explosion. Well, I hope we are. But and that's what the instructions said, so I hope we are. And my name's Lincoln. Her name's Mia. Today, Solo's not in it because he's still eating lunch, which is kind of weird.
Yeah.
And okay, Gomez Experience. Let's get going. So, step 1. Take a beaker and fill it with vinegar. Okay. Let's get some vinegar.
Can I do
And no.
Why?
Vinegar has a bunch of chemicals, and chemicals are bad for you. Ah, some dripped on me. No. Step 2. Add 2 drops of red food coloring and mix well.
Can I do it?
Red food coloring?
Can I mix it?
Wait, what? In this? In the vinegar? That sounds weird. We've never done stuff like this before.
Can I please?
Wait, so how many again? 2.
Can I please mix it?
No, this is pretty full. 1, 2. And for the little one,
Can I just mix it a little bit?
fine. But just for 3 seconds, because it's really full. 1, 2, 3. Good. My turn. That looks good. And vinegar. And step 3. Take the chemicals flask and add 2 scoops of baking soda to it. 2 scoops. Let me get my scooper and dump it
Can I
in there. Sure. This part isn't that dangerous. Good? Good. My turn. Boop. And I'll just take a little more there and hope it works. I'll put that right there just in case.
Those are like half scoops, so why don't you do 2 more?
2 more? Okay.
Because those were just half scoops.
Can I do the last
I put 1 more half scoop, so
No, fill it up. Fill it up.
like
Can I
that.
do-
Mm-hmm.
Can I do the last one?
And then let Mia do 1 more.
Here.
And then I do.
Wait, Mia, I'm gonna fill it up because it might get too much. Oh, Mia, that's a barely too much.
Okay.
Okay.
Boom.
I'll keep that in there, but I'm gonna have to scoop if I have it again. After step 3. Step 4. Pour the vinegar from the beaker into the flask. Okay, this is where the explosion's gonna go. Wait, yeah, this is where it's gonna be, so watch out. And hope it works. Oh! Ah! Ah! It exploded! And that was our best one yet. And see you for our next Gomez Experience. And, okay, bye. Nice. That was amazing.